phone models can H17 handle? Today, we're reviewing the full list. First up, the iPhone mold. It perfectly covered everything from the latest iPhone 17 series to classics like the iPhone 12 and many models in between. That's a huge range. Next, the Android mold. It works with almost all the mainstream brands, including popular models from Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, Google, and more. And here's something worth mentioning. HTVRONT uses a patented adjustable mold design. Thanks to this flexible, expandable structure, even if your phone isn't on the list above, you can still try it out as long as it fits within the supported size range. And it's not just the hardware doing the work. The H17's official software, Idea Studio, comes with built-in templates for common phone models. This helps your design line up perfectly and print accurately, so your ideas come out just the way you expect. So if your phone falls into this golden zone, drop a comment below. Let's unlock even more possibilities together.